So hello everyone. My name is Akshat Chore and continuing with DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 100, which basically means uh, I have solved 100 questions, but don't forget target is not 100, target is 110, means 10 more question I have to solve, but it's still a decent amount of questions to be mentioned. So yeah, more on this conclusion thing later on. Today I have solved this question from try. I guess try is the last question from try. Date design, add and search word data structure. So this is a very good question, easy medium level question. So interesting because you are actually when you are searching the word, na, there different dots are given. Means in these dots it can be any letter, and you just need to predict, or I mean you need to tell that any word exists in the dictionary or not, which satisfies this so sort of condition. They say B dash dash, so it's any word B dot dot present or not. So yeah, it's fine. This question is done in after a very long time, a very decent sort of time complexity. So thank you for watching the videos. I'll do more videos.